There are not many truths in this world. Only one truth exists. You need to understand the truth we discuss here. If not, you all are disbelievers, whatever the religion you follow. The seal called religion is affirmed after the birth only. No one bears a religion at birth. No race, no parents, no siblings and relation at the birth. Several days followed by the birth, that particular person inherits everything after assigning birth certificates, race, religion and baptism. Then that person has already fooled. We are affirmed by the seal called religion. Thereafter, that person is living not in a spiritual path, but in the path of that seal. He behaves according to that religion. He dresses, eats, speaks, and follows the ritual accordingly. And then he dies. That is the worldly norm. That seal detached after the death. No one has a religion after the last breath. All are subordinate by the rhythm of nature after the death. The people who are conceited with the seal called religion become helpless after losing the seal. Do not get labeled in life. Instead, try to hold hands with nature. Always become partners of the truth, the reality and the Dhamma. Always reject the unrighteousness. Always admire the equity and justice. Always reject the jealousy, bad and evil. Live in a way good for all. That's your religion which doesn't have seal. That's a religion which exists in the whole universe. Now, we join with that religion. We detach all the seal. We spend, talk and walk freely. Then we don't want to stick to that seal. We live in freedom. We are not deeply attached to the culture and tradition. We do only what must be done. We do engage in a comfortable lifestyle and a comfortable spiritual journey. We understand the reality of life. It's a comic when we see people fight with each other for their religions. Every human being attempts to pretend his religion is the best and put the other religions down. What I am saying is, there is nothing like that in the world. There is only one holy truth which exists in the world. All others are myth. That's all. We must find a way to get rid of our born stupidness and to live without sticking to anything. If someone is sermonizing and if that sermon is accurate, we should adore him without considering his appearance, race, religion, etc. Our heart should be that much pure enough. The Buddha is visible to those. If not, even if a person meets only the Buddhas throughout his lifetime, he doesn't realize the truth.